Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airtable plus Twilio to send SMS confirmations step by step clearly. To begin, sign in to your Airtable account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Create a new base in Airtable. Name the base something relevant, like SMS confirmations. Add a table to your base. Label the first column as name for your contact details. Create a second column and label it phone number. Add a third column named Confirmation Status to track sent messages. Now, ensure the phone number column is formatted correctly for international numbers. Once your Airtable setup is complete, navigate to the Twilio website. Sign up for a Twilio account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, acquire a phone number from Twilio. This number will be used to send SMS messages. Make sure to note your account's ID and auth token for later use. Next, open Integromat or Zapier, depending on your preference for automation. Create a new scenario or Zap. Select Airtable as the trigger app. Connect your Airtable account to the automation platform. Choose the trigger event, such as New Record in View. Set up your Airtable base and select the table you just created. Now, add a filter to only continue if confirmation status is empty. Next, add an action step and choose Twilio as the action app. Connect your Twilio account using your account's ID and auth token. Choose Send SMS as your action event. In the setup for sending the SMS, select the phone number field from Airtable for the recipient's number. Customize the message body to include confirmation details relevant to your needs. Finally, set the confirmation status field to send once the message is dispatched. Test your setup to ensure everything works correctly. Check your Airtable and Twilio accounts to confirm that the process is functioning as expected. You now have a system to send SMS confirmations using Airtable and Twilio. Make any necessary adjustments to polish the workflow further. You are all set to start sending those SMS confirmations automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.